Hi everyone, I'm Ryan from Sound Around. Today I'm going to go over some of the features and show you how to set up and use the brand new Pyle Sports PSBCG90 bike computer. So this little bike computer is an all-around solution for the athlete looking to take the training and exercise program to the next level. Let's take a look at the product. Very small, built to mount on any handlebar that comes with your bike. Comes with a little mounting mechanism which will strap nicely onto your handlebar using the included bands, which will go around the handlebar and mount it securely to the bike computer. So with this little device, your possibilities as far as tracking and recording workouts are pretty much endless. It comes jam-packed full of features like GPS to track your route and measure distance. It's compatible with ANT+ heart rate monitors, so you can display and record heart rate data. And that's actually in real time, and you can see that in the workout screen within the computer. The device is also compatible with little wheel sensors, so you can get a real-time reading of your speed. If you don't have one, it can calculate it using the GPS and your distance over time. Adding that extra hardware makes it more accurate. The computer also comes with software for Windows, which lets you import and export map data, workout data. Within this program, you can review any stat you could possibly think of within your workout. The computer actually is rechargeable, so you can plug your little USB cord into the port on the back, and while you're syncing your data, the computer will recharge. So let's get into using the device. Pressing and holding this little button on the side with the power logo will boot it up. Here we can see the main interface. So navigating it is not too difficult. There's 4 buttons on the unit, 2 on each side and 2 on the bottom. The bottom ones will move the selector left and right. And this will enter the menu, and this is like a go back button. So let's go to, first of all, setup. Now on this screen you can set up your workout pages, so how it displays in the workout mode. You can set up the accessories like the heart rate monitor and the wheel sensor. Here you can set your user profile, so your sex, age, height, weight, which can be used to calculate calories. Here you can set up the system. Let's check that out. So things like the display. You can also set up the clock and the time zone. Here's an important setting, is the units. So for US customers, let's set it to English, and also degrees and minutes for the GPS. Let's go to the go-to option, hit enter, and here you can check past routes, mark a current location, or even track back your route. So let's select route. You can either create new or go to a past one. So if you're going to start a new workout, you may want to create a new route. So if we select the track back option, so there I'm actually looking at a past workout. It shows the total time and the distance traveled. Entering it gives you more detailed data from the workout. Total time, lap time, the distance traveled, and your average speed. If I had a heart rate monitor connected, it would show the max and the average, as well as the calories burned on the bottom. You can even see data on the elevation. Let's go to the map. Here we can actually see the route traveled over the GPS map. I just went around a couple blocks testing this out, but it shows where you started as well as where you ended. Go to the bottom and select Go To. And the GPS will actually lead you back to the last route you did. So when you're ready to work out, we just have to switch the device from settings mode to active mode. So press and hold mode enter. The device will switch over to the display screen. When you're ready to start your workout, hit the start stop button. Select start training with enter. The clock will start ticking, the speed will start tracking, and the distance will as well. To switch the display screen, press mode enter to cycle through the different available screens. Here we can see elevation data, as well as the time still running, and the speed in the center. Another speed, time, distance screen. And here we can actually see our GPS location on the map. When you finished your workout, press stop. The device will stop timing and you're ready now to save the workout. Press save. Scroll over to save, the circle, and select enter. The workout has now been added to the log and you're ready to sync it with the computer.